Hi guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to know the worksheet in Microsoft Excel. And you will know that about how to rename, move, edit color, hide and unhide worksheet in Microsoft Excel also. First, I want to explain you about worksheet in Microsoft Excel. The worksheet we use for to divide data or information to another sheet, but it stays in one file. And that is very important for me use for manage class or manage stock also. Next, I want to show you how to insert worksheet in Microsoft Excel. First, you need to click on this button to add one more worksheet. Now there are two worksheets displayed on my side. Next, I want to show you how to rename worksheet. So you just right click on any worksheet and click on rename. You can change or edit your name also. And after, I need to insert some data, and all this data I note after I buy the item in my stock. Next point, I want to show you how to add color on worksheet. So first, you need to right click on worksheet and click on type color and choose any color that you want to show on your worksheet. Okay, ready change on your worksheet. And next, I want to show you how to hide worksheet. You just right click and click on hide. So the worksheet at the moment you close. And if you want to show or display your worksheet, you just right click on the worksheet and click unhide. Choose any worksheet that you want to show and click OK. Okay, now your worksheet is displayed on this side. And next, if you want to move your worksheet, you just left click on worksheet and pull to the left or right that you want to show your worksheet on your side. Next point, I want to show you how to make a copy your worksheet. First, right click on your worksheet. Next, click on Move or Copy. Select one worksheet that you want to make a copy. Next, check Inbox and click OK. And after, you will got one more worksheet show on your side. And the last point, I want to show you how to delete worksheet. You just right click on worksheet and click delete button. Next, click delete. Okay, your worksheet will delete from your side.